I'd like to introduce you to the new Pivot Point Hair Extension Kit. I'm Jason Russell, Director of Product Experience, and I'm excited to give you a preview of this premium all-in-one kit designed to master today's most popular extension techniques. So for my tips, U-tips, fusions, and more, we've got you covered. Let's take a look inside. The Hair Extension Kit features sleek, portable packaging that keeps everything organized and easy to access. How cool is this? Every item in the kit has its own dedicated space, so that it stays well organized no matter where the kit goes. Let's look at our first item, our toolkit. Inside you'll find everything you need to perform dozens of extension services, including microlinks, wefts, needles, pliers, clips, threads, and more. Every high-quality stainless steel tool is built to last beyond cosmetology school and into your professional career. And don't forget the trusty fusion iron, which is durable, reliable, and makes fusion application fast and easy. Each kit includes 5 extension hair types, those designed for I-tips, U-tips, and weft, tape-in, and braiding hair. The I-tips, U-tips, wefts, and tape-ins are a premium level 9 human hair, providing the perfect blank canvas for custom color. These extensions can be applied, removed, and reused, and extra adhesive tape is included for repeated tape-in application. Whether you're a student learning extension fundamentals or a professional looking for a complete extension system, the Pivot Point Hair Extension Kit delivers everything you need in one premium package.